In this second video for Learning Outcome 2.6, we're going to look at how to use Hlookup. The key difference between VLOOKUP and Hlookup is that for Hlookup, your data is organized in horizontal rows. Notice this time, the variable for student ID runs along the row, last name is along the row, first name is along the row, instead of by column. So because your data is stored horizontally, you must use Hlookup. The theory behind the function is the same. If you wanted to find your final grade in this case, you would scan along the topmost row until you find the ID of interest. Then you'd go all the way down to the bottom to get the final grade. We know for that this student ID that's indicated here, their final grade should be 88.6. How we can get Hlookup to get that is very similar to VLOOKUP. You'd start with equals like all functions do, put in the name of the function, Hlookup. The lookup value is still the student ID that's unique and will result in an exact match for only this person's final grade. For the table array, we still select the entire table where the student IDs and the final grades are found. Student ID, the lookup value, still has to appear in the first row in this case. For VLOOKUP, it was the first column or the leftmost column. For Hlookup, it will be in the first row or the top row where you have to find those lookup values. For row index number, this time it will be the 8th row where final grade is found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we put in the number 8, saying we want the final grade back from that final row. And you still always put false for the last argument. We're only doing exact matches right now in this course. Once you've got all of those entered, press the Enter key, and you'll get back the final grade that you wanted. Hlookup and VLOOKUP are both most useful when you have very large data sets and don't want to sort through them to find values. All you'll have to do is use the function and you can get back the value that you need. Also, if you change the student ID in the box, the final grade will automatically update to speed up your search. Just remember, Hlookup should only be used when your data is stored along rows instead of stored in columns.